The best storytelling layouts lead the viewer through information as if they are turning pages in a visual book. Today, how to create visual journey frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a soft gray background and add a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 5 rectangular frames and arrange them in a gentle curved path across the canvas. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully so the narrative progresses naturally. Increase the size of the third frame slightly to establish hierarchy and create a visual pause. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and reduce their opacity so they remain understated. Apply soft shadow effects